Hello, my Braid Spot beauties. This is your girl Ro, and I am back with another quick mini tutorial on how we achieve this extended long genie ponytail with the ombre ends. It's gonna go by quick, so just stay tuned and watch.
It's your girl Ro, and I'm bringing you more.
All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is build a foundation. And what I mean by build a foundation, you just want a place to where all your cornrows are going to meet. In our case, we are going to do it in the center. You can do it on the side or in the back, but we're going to do it in the center top. And you want to go ahead and start making your sections for each of your cornrows. I found that it's easier to go ahead and start creating my sections first. Then once you have created all of your sections, you want to go ahead and start feeding in your braids individually. I'm starting out with the color 1B, and you, like I said, you're feeding them in gradually. So you're going to start out with the smallest piece and end up with a bigger piece. And for each braid, you're just going to braid most of the way down, because you're going to leave the ends loose so that you can add in the color number 27, which will be our extended braid. Stay tuned, keep watching. Now we're going to begin adding in our number 27 to extend the braid. Now what I did forget to let you guys know is that the color 1B is a shorter length hair. The hair that I'm using is pre-stretched. I do believe it is about 38 inches. And then the extended pieces that I'm adding in is 52 inches. So we wanted that part to be longer. All right, you want to continue to braid in the 27 pieces till you get to the very last braid. Now that we have completed all of the braiding, we're going to go ahead and secure our ponytail. You want to use a ponytail holder or elastic band. In my case, I use the large elastic bands that come with the hair packaging. I use about 3 of them just to make sure that it is tightly secure. Then I just sprayed a little bit of braid sheen, and I use my scissors to cut away the fray ends. Now you want to make sure the ends of the braids are secured. So I just use some hot water with my electric kettle. I just dip the hair in that hot water. Then I take one of the braids and just wrap it around the ponytail to give it some height. And I just fluff it up a little bit, and I just keep wrapping until the end of the braid. And I continue to dip the hair in the hot water to make sure that it's all dipped in, because that helps it give it that polished look. The heat, for some reason, it just makes the braids look a whole lot better. Then you want to just take your towel and just blot it dry, and it's done. All right, you guys, that is it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that notification bell can alert you of all the new updates that have been loaded to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. It's been a pleasure to have you with us today. Thank you so much. And as always, be a blessing to others. Goodbye.